this elevator already been. This elevator number 3. This one is actually maintained pretty good. You can see the cab is looking very nice. Let's see the other one. Also here the cab is looking very nice. The indicator is also looking very nice. Everything in here looks very nice. And I can go down to floor 1? No. I guess not. So you know what? Let's go to 7. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds very nice. There's any chance this thing go down to floor 1? Shit. Let's see. Let's see. If I'm going to get kidnapped, that's my fault. Floor 0 is a lot more safer than floor 1. That is weird! How the fuck this floor has access? Okay. Okay, from here I'm going to go on. Smells like some drugs in here. Oof! That did a weird noise on floor 3. Very weird. Again, I should go down to floor 1 for both of the elevators. Floor elevator number 3. From elevators 3 and elevators 2. Elevators 1 don't show up to go down to floor 1. These are very, very interesting. Well, yeah, that's where we are at. Oh man. Yeah, look at the floor, it's insane like shit. Let's take a cab view. We've already seen this cab. This cab looks pretty okay. Also the other elevator cab is especially looking good. This one is pretty okay. Well, that's it.